Hello folks, this is me again. I'll be tackling another easy one on my day 2. So I think I'm going to go with string, and we'll go for the next unsolved one, alternating characters. Let's check it out. Okay, I got to do my timer. I got 15 minutes on my timer. I've been getting a lot better, I think, on just having my timer, just knowing what to do. Okay, you are given a string containing characters A and B only. Okay, your task is to change it into a string such that there are no matching adjacent characters. To do this, you are allowed to delete 0 or more characters in the string. Your task is to find the minimum number of required deletions. For example, AAB, AAB, remove an A at position 0 and 3 to make ABAB in 2 deletions. You must return an integer representing the minimum number of deletions to make the alternating string. So I'm thinking I could start at the beginning, have a runner, and then always and just count the number of off pairs. But at the same time, I'm also thinking there's a situation where you could have, let's say, like here, like a very long string. Actually, I'm going to do my idea because I think it'll work either way. So I'm going to have start runner, I need to initialize flipping variable. So I'm checking A or B basically. So I'll be looking to use this flipping variable to determine what the next character should be. So I'm initialize counter for deletions, and then I'm going to actually return this counter here. And I'm just going to loop through string using flipping variable and incrementing counter. Okay. I can use like some regular expressions, I guess, but I don't want to do that. So let's go through this. I'll say A, B, B. So I initialize the flipping variable. I'm going to start with starting letter. So this becomes A. Counter is 0. So I'm going to say this equals A. This is 0. Then I loop through it. I guess I should start with the second one, and no, the first one. So the first one matches. Then I flip it to B. So this becomes B the second time, and the second position is not a B, and so I increment this to 1. Then I keep going. This becomes 2, and then I hit a B, and then this flips to A. And then I go further, and I should see another B, and then last B. So that should be 4. So this should return 4. Is that correct? Yes, 4 deletions. Okay, so I think that this algorithm is going to work. Let's just start working it out. All right. So let very much. Next character equals S0. Counter, so let counter equal 0, and I need to return counter. Just like to do that first. Loop through each one. So for const letter of S, I'm going to say if letter is equal to next car. That's great. We flip. Next car equals, I'm going to say next car equals A. Then flip it to B, else A. And then I will do nothing, and then else I should say else here. So else counter plus plus. So either you match the proper letter and then you flip the counter, or then you flip the letter, or you increment the counter because you're in the wrong place, and then you should return the counter, and I think that should work. Okay, everything looks green. Let's submit some code. This is where I'm going to probably get some test cases that might be funky. I guess not. Okay. Anyway, I hope that was interesting. I thought it was not too bad. It was easy after all, so not too bad. And I'll be going on to a medium one next, so I'll see you in that one.